Let's clear up a huge fitness myth that has been circulating for far too long. It's time to address a common misconception about achieving a flat stomach. Crunches won't give you a flat stomach. Despite being a staple in many workout routines, they simply aren't the most effective way to target abdominal fat. Doing endless crunches day after day is not only inefficient in terms of achieving your desired results, but it can also be a significant waste of your valuable time and energy. It can actually harm your back and neck. The repetitive motion can strain these areas, leading to discomfort and potential injuries. The fitness industry has pushed this myth for years, often promoting crunches as the go-to exercise for achieving a toned midsection. But the truth is simple, and it's time we shed light on it. Strong abs are useless, aesthetically speaking, if they're hidden under a layer of fat. No matter how strong your abdominal muscles are, they won't be visible if they're covered by excess fat. Crunches only target a small muscle group, primarily focusing on the rectus abdominis, and burn very few calories, making them an inefficient exercise for overall fat loss. You can't spot reduce belly fat. It's a myth that has been debunked time and time again. Fat loss happens when you create a calorie deficit, meaning you burn more calories than you consume. Not by working one area over and over. Focusing solely on crunches won't magically melt away belly fat. Worse, crunches reinforce poor posture, contributing to a rounded back and hunched shoulders, and can lead to back pain or injury. The repetitive flexion of the spine can put excessive stress on the lower back. Instead, focus on exercises that engage your entire core, that build a strong, stable core, providing a solid foundation for all your movements, and support a healthy spine. A strong core helps maintain proper spinal alignment and reduces the risk of back pain. It's time to ditch crunches for good. Let's break free from this outdated and ineffective exercise. We're replacing them with exercises that are not only more effective, with smarter, safer, and more effective moves. These exercises will target your entire core and help you achieve your fitness goals. Don't forget to subscribe. The journey to a flatter, stronger midsection and a healthier back can be quick, energizing, and enjoyable. By incorporating the right exercises and strategies, you can achieve your desired results without sacrificing your well-being. Let's start a new, smarter approach today. It's time to embrace a more effective and sustainable path to a stronger, healthier you. If crunches aren't the answer, what is? The real secret is lowering your overall body fat percentage. You can have strong abs, but if they're covered by fat, you won't see them. Genetics, hormones, and lifestyle determine where your body stores fat, often the belly. The goal isn't to melt fat from one spot, but to reduce total body fat. Think of your abs as hidden under a blanket. You need to remove the blanket, not just polish what's underneath. The best way? Full-body, calorie-burning exercises that build muscle and boost metabolism. More muscle means more calories burned, even at rest. Spot training doesn't work. Total body engagement does. Consistency is key. Find a routine you can stick with daily. You don't need fancy equipment or hours at the gym. Compound movements that use your core as a stabilizer are the real game changer. Forget hour-long workouts. Here's a 5-minute standing ab solution you can do anywhere. Standing moves are more functional, engage more muscles, and require no equipment. Do it in your bedroom, kitchen, or office. No excuses. This routine uses compound movements, working your whole body with your core as the star. You'll burn more calories and train your body as an integrated unit. The planned 3 exercises, 60 seconds each, with 30 seconds rest between. Focus on form and intention. Feel your core working with every move. The best time? First thing in the morning, to energize your day and set a healthy tone. This isn't just a workout, it's a catalyst for better habits. Start your day strong and watch the benefits ripple out. Proper form is everything. It's the foundation upon which effective and safe exercise is built. Without it, you risk injury and limit the benefits you can achieve. Think of it as the blueprint for your body's movement, ensuring each action is precise and purposeful. So let's break down the 3 moves, focusing on the nuances that will help you maximize your results and minimize any potential strain. We'll go step by step, highlighting key points to remember as you perform each exercise. First, standing crossbody crunch, a fantastic way to engage your obliques and improve core stability. This exercise targets those hard-to-reach side abdominal muscles, helping to sculpt your waistline and enhance your overall core strength. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart, hands gently behind your head. Avoid pulling on your neck. Your fingers should just be resting there. Maintain a neutral spine, engaging your core to support your posture. Bring your right knee up and across, aiming towards your opposite elbow. Focus on lifting with your core, not just swinging your leg. The higher you lift your knee, the more you'll engage your lower abdominal muscles. As you twist your torso, be mindful of maintaining a straight back. Avoid rounding your shoulders or hunching forward. The twist should come from your core, not your lower back, to prevent any strain. To meet it with your left elbow. The goal isn't necessarily to touch your elbow to your knee, but rather to focus on the contraction in your oblique muscles as you bring them closer together. Alternate sides for 60 seconds, maintaining a steady and controlled rhythm. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise, exhaling as you crunch and inhaling as you return to the starting position. Second, torso twist, a classic exercise for targeting your obliques and improving spinal mobility. This move is excellent for warming up your core and preparing your body for more intense exercises. Feet wide, slightly wider than shoulder width, knees slightly bent, creating a stable base. This stance allows for a greater range of motion and helps to engage your leg muscles for added stability. Hands clasped at chest or held out in front of you for balance. Clasping your hands at your chest helps to keep your arms from influencing the movement, ensuring that your core is doing the work. Twist your upper body side to side, focusing on rotating from your core. Imagine you're trying to look behind you with each twist, but without forcing the movement, keeping hips still. The key to this exercise is to isolate the movement to your torso, preventing your hips from swaying or rotating. This ensures that you're targeting your obliques effectively. Move from your core, not your arms. Avoid using your arms to swing your body. Instead, engage your abdominal muscles to initiate and control the twisting motion. Third, high knee pull down, a dynamic exercise that combines core engagement with cardiovascular benefits. This move not only strengthens your abdominal muscles, but also elevates your heart rate, making it a great addition to any workout routine. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, arms extended overhead, reaching towards the sky. This starting position helps to lengthen your spine and engage your upper back muscles. Drive your right knee up, aiming to bring it as high as comfortably possible. Focus on using your lower abdominal muscles to lift your knee, rather than relying on momentum. As you pull your arms down, engaging your lat muscles and core. Imagine you're pulling down a rope, using your back and abdominal muscles to control the movement to the outside of your knee. This coordinated movement requires core stability and coordination, helping to improve your overall balance and body awareness. Alternate legs, maintaining a fluid and controlled motion. Avoid jerky or rushed movements. Focus on quality over speed, keeping a brisk, controlled pace. This will help you maintain proper form and maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Each move targets your core, engaging different muscle groups to provide a comprehensive workout. From a different angle, ensuring that you're working all aspects of your abdominal muscles, and gets your heart rate up, providing a cardiovascular boost alongside the core strengthening benefits. Remember, these are guidelines to help you get the most out of each movement. 60 seconds per move, allowing ample time to focus on proper form and muscle engagement. 30 seconds rest between, giving your muscles a brief recovery period before the next exercise. Focus on control, not speed. Prioritize precision and proper muscle activation over rushing through the movements. Quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer repetitions with perfect form than many repetitions with poor form. Breathe deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, to provide your muscles with the oxygen they need. Brace your core, engaging your abdominal muscles as if you're preparing to be punched in the stomach to protect your spine and enhance stability. And move with purpose. Be mindful of each movement, focusing on the muscles you're targeting and the benefits you're achieving. Master these moves, perfecting your form and technique to unlock their full potential. And you'll feel the difference immediately. You'll notice increased core strength, improved stability, and a greater sense of body awareness. This simple circuit, requiring no special equipment or complicated routines, is all you need for a powerful core workout. It's efficient, effective, and can be done anywhere, anytime. No crunches, eliminating the need for floor exercises, and making it accessible to everyone. No equipment, relying solely on your body weight to provide resistance and challenge your muscles. Just results. Visible, tangible improvements in your core strength, stability, and overall fitness. Practice in front of a mirror if you can, especially when you're first learning the moves. This will allow you to monitor your form and make any necessary adjustments. Consistency and good form, practiced regularly, are your keys to success. Stick with it, focus on your form, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. How can 5 minutes beat endless crunches? It's all about deep muscle engagement, metabolic boost, and habit. Your core is more than just six-pack muscles. It's a system of deep stabilizers. Our standing routine activates these muscles with every twist and lift, building real core strength. Compound moves burn more calories, raising your heart rate and turning your workout into a mini cardio session. This creates a metabolic afterburn, so you keep burning calories even after you're done. Most importantly, it's sustainable. 5 minutes a day is easy to stick with. Consistency beats intensity. Daily effort trumps occasional long workouts. This approach trains your core, burns fat, and fits any schedule. It's not a magic pill, but it's a proven, efficient strategy for real results. If you like this kind of video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Respect your time and your body. This is how lasting change happens. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your body transform. Knowledge means nothing without action. It's the consistent effort, the daily grind, that truly transforms us. Reading about fitness is great, but actually getting up and moving is where the magic happens. So here's your 14-day flat belly kickstart. A simple, effective plan to ignite your core and jumpstart your fitness journey. The goal isn't a six-pack in 2 weeks. Let's be realistic. This isn't about overnight transformations or unrealistic expectations. It's about something far more valuable: to build a habit. A sustainable, healthy habit that you can maintain long after these 14 days are over. And to see the first changes. To feel the difference. To witness the initial progress that will keep you motivated and inspired. For the next 14 days, commit to yourself. Dedicate this short period to building a foundation for a stronger, healthier you. Do the 5-minute standing abs solution. A quick, effective routine that targets your core muscles without requiring any equipment or floor work. Every morning. Make it the first thing you do. Start your day with intention and a commitment to your well-being. No excuses. This is your time. Protect it. Prioritize it. You deserve these 5 minutes. Set yourself up for success. Preparation is key to sticking with any new habit. Decide when you'll do it. Don't leave it to chance. Schedule it into your day like any other important appointment. Ideally, right after waking up. Before the day gets away from you. Before distractions creep in. Place your sneakers by your bed. A visual cue, a constant reminder of your commitment. As a reminder, a simple yet powerful tool to keep you on track. Attach this new habit to waking up. This is called habit stacking, linking a new behavior to an existing one to make it easier to remember and implement. Make it automatic. Turn it into a routine, a seamless part of your morning. Track your progress with a calendar or notebook. Visualizing your accomplishments can be incredibly motivating. Mark each day you complete the routine. A simple checkmark can represent a significant victory. Don't break the chain. Each consecutive day you complete the routine strengthens your habit and builds momentum. Let those X's motivate you. Use any missed days as fuel to get back on track and recommit to your goal. If you miss a day, don't beat yourself up about it. Life happens. Just get back on track the next morning. One missed day doesn't negate all your hard work. Focus on progress, not perfection. Not perfection. Striving for perfection can be paralyzing. Focus on making small, consistent improvements over time. Notice how you feel. Pay attention to the subtle changes in your body and mind. More energy, increased vitality, and a greater sense of well-being. Better posture, standing taller and feeling more confident. A tighter core, strengthening your core muscles for improved stability and overall fitness. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and appreciate your efforts, no matter how small they may seem. They'll fuel your motivation. These small wins will create a positive feedback loop, encouraging you to continue on your journey. This challenge is your launch pad, a starting point, a foundation upon which you can build a healthier, happier you, for a healthier, lasting routine. A routine that you enjoy, that you can maintain, and that will support your well-being for years to come. After your 5-minute routine, amplify your results with one simple step. Drink a big glass of water. Your body wakes up dehydrated, and exercise increases fluid loss. Rehydrating right after your workout jumpstarts your metabolism and aids recovery. Proper hydration helps your cells work efficiently, supports fat loss, and controls appetite. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger. Water first can help you avoid overeating. Studies show drinking water before meals increases fullness and helps you eat less. Make this your morning ritual. Wake up, work out, drink water. This 3-step process takes less than 10 minutes, but sets a positive tone for your day. It's free, simple, and one of the most effective habits for your health. Don't skip it, your body will thank you. Real change isn't about grand gestures, it's about small, consistent actions. This 5-minute routine proves you don't need to overhaul your life to see results. Let go of perfectionism. Persistence is what matters. On tough days, remember your why: confidence, energy, health. Just start. Momentum will follow. You're not alone. Share your journey in the comments and support others. Your story could inspire someone else to begin. The time for action is now. Commit to the 14-day challenge and embrace this simple routine. One step, one workout, one day at a time, your future self will thank you. Let's do this together.